Hi guys, it's Martie here from letsbuildwp.com, and in this video we're going to be covering how to embed SoundCloud in WordPress. We can embed these SoundCloud players onto our different pages, posts and widget areas. With SoundCloud being so popular, it can be a great place to find content for our WordPress site, or of course we can upload and use our own. To do this, we first need to open up soundcloud.com and find the song or podcast we're wanting to embed. Once we find it, we can click underneath where it says Share, and then we're going to click Embed. Then underneath we'll see a preview of how the player is going to look on our site, and at the top we can choose between these two layouts. So we can have the full layout or the smaller one. So I'm going to go for this one. And then underneath under options we can choose what color we'd like the play button to be, and there's a few different presets. Or we can change the color code to be whatever color we like. Then if we check the box underneath we can enable automatic play, which means whenever someone opens up the page or post that we embed the player on, it'll start to automatically play. I'm going to leave this unchecked myself, and once we're happy with the options here, we just need to copy this code. So copy everything in this box, just highlight, right click and copy. Once we have this code copied, we just want to open up the page or post we're wanting to embed the player onto, and then click edit up at the top. Now we need to figure out where the player is going to appear, and I've added this placeholder text that says put SoundCloud player here. I highly recommend doing this yourself, as it's going to make the next part a lot easier. So just type something like SoundCloud in all caps. Once we do that, we can click up in the top right where it says text, and that's going to change our page or post into HTML. Now we can find and highlight our placeholder text, right click and then paste our embed code in its place. Now if we change our post back from text to visual, we'll see the SoundCloud player now appears in our editor, and now when we update the page or post, and visit it, we'll see that the SoundCloud player is now live on our site. Then we can click the play button and it'll start to play. Then finally, to embed SoundCloud players into our WordPress widgets, we just need to click and drag the plain text widget into one of our widget areas. Then just like with pages and posts, we can change it from visual to text and then paste in our SoundCloud embed code. Then when we save our changes and visit our site, we'll see that the SoundCloud player is now live in our widget area. So that's how easy it is to embed SoundCloud in WordPress. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please give it a like here on YouTube, and consider subscribing to the channel for more WordPress tutorials like this one published every week. Once again, my name's Martie from letsbuildwp.com, and thank you very much for watching my video.